Good morning, dear students. Last class I have given concept and definitions of area of triangle and centroid of triangle, how to find out the coordinates of centroid of triangle formula. At the same time, I have given relation between centroid of triangle and median of triangle. That is, the centroid of triangle is always divides the median of triangle in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. And before that, I have given concepts of trisection also. Trisection means whenever if you can heard about this term trisect in analytical geometry, directly you are going to remembering of the ratio 1:2 or 2:1. The combination of these two ratios is called trisection of the line segments. Today also we are going to solving some different types of problems with respect to centroid of triangle. At the same time, we are going to finding the problems, we are going to finding the values of area of triangle with help of three vertices of triangle ABC also here. Let us now, we are going to starting the problems on centroid of triangle first. First one is, find the centroid of triangle, find the centroid of triangle, centroid of triangle, centroid of triangle whose vertices are minus 4,6, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2 and 2, 5 and 2, 5 here. They gave three vertices of triangle ABC here. Triangle. But with help of those vertices now, we are going to finding coordinates of centroid of triangle. Now let us, we are going to giving the solution for this question is, it is a centroid is triangle A's coordinates of A are minus 4, 6, B or here 2, minus 2, C vertices are 2, 5 here. Just to consider them, first is x1, y1 and second vertex is x2, y2 and third vertex is x3, y3 here. Draw the medians from all the vertices here. It is a median AD, another one is the median B here, and next one is the median CF. Now we considered G as capital letter G as the centroid of triangle ABC. With the help of all these three vertices, now we are going to finding coordinates of centroid of triangle here. Centroid of triangle formula, G is equal to, capital letter G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole dividing by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole dividing by 3 this is. Now in this formula, we are going to substituting all the values of vertices here. That is G is equal to x1 plus, that is minus 4 plus x2 means 2 plus x3 means plus 2, whole dividing by 3 here. y1 is 6 plus y2 is minus 2, that is minus 2, plus y3 means plus 5 here, whole dividing by 3. Next value is g is equal to minus 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4, whole dividing by 3, comma, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 minus 2, 9 by 3 here. Otherwise plus into minus, 6 minus 2, 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9, that is 9 by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 gets cancelled, that is 0 by 3 can be considered as 0 here. On gets cancellations here also, 3 3 is 0 comma 3. This is the answer for the coordinates of the centroid of triangle ABC here. Just with applying with help of all these vertices, x1 y1, this x2 y2, and is the x by 3. With help of all these three vertices, we found the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. How we found that centroid means here? By applying this formula. What is the formula for centroid of triangle here? x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole dividing by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole dividing by 3. Now let us, we are going to solving another question. Next question is, if the centroid of triangle, if the centroid of triangle if the centroid of triangle if the centroid of triangle ABC is ABC is 2 comma 3 and A is equal to, capital A is equal to 4 comma 2 and B is equal to 4 comma 5, then find the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C, capital C here. See here in this question, they gave centroid of triangle and they gave two vertices of the triangle. But here we have to find the third vertex. What are the coordinates of third vertex? The third vertex just we mustn't should consider like x and y or h comma k. Like this, have to assume that the third vertex here. Now let us, we are going to giving the solution for this question. Solution for this question is, triangle ABC here. It is the triangle ABC. A is 4 comma 2 and B is 4 comma 5. And now say just you can consider some h comma k and draw the medians of all the vertices of triangle to opposite sides. from their vertices respectively. Here B is one median and AD is one median, CF is one median, and you consider G here. Coordinates of center of triangle they gave here 2, 3 here. At the same time you considered it is A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3 here. Now you have to apply centroid of triangle formula here. G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole dividing by 3, comma. Next one is y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole dividing by 3 here. Now in this case, what are the known values? We are going to substituting those only here. G is already centroid of triangle. The coordinates of centroid of triangle they gave here 2, 3. That's what we can write here 2, 3 like this. Is equal to x1 value is 4 and x2 value also 4, but x3 value is here h. We are going to substituting those 3 values instead of them. 4 plus h whole dividing by 3, comma. Next y1 2 plus 5 plus k whole dividing by 3. Here y1 is 2 and y2 is 5 and y3 is k here. Then 2, 3 is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 plus h by 3, comma. 2 plus 5, 7 plus k whole dividing by 3. At the same time, equal symbol is there between those 2 points. That's why we must equate their corresponding values. That is, the first place equal to first place and second place equal to second place here. Like this. First place to first place and second place to second place. Equate them. Like that, by equating those values, then we are going to getting values of unknown letters. See here, 8 plus h whole dividing by 3 is equal to 2 here. 8 plus h is equal to 3 to the 6. Send 8 that side, then h is equal to 6 minus 8. H is equal to 6 minus 8 means here minus 2. We got the value for h is minus 2 here. Next, remaining second coordinates. By equating that, those second coordinates also, we are going to get in the value of k also here. How means I will show you now. 7 plus k whole dividing by 3 is equal to 3. 7 plus k is equal to 9. 3 is 9. Send 7 that side. It becomes k is equal to 9 minus 7. And k is equal to here 9 minus 7 means 2. We got the value for k is 2. That's what finally we can write. Third vertex C is equal to here minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2 is the third vertex for required triangle ABC. Like that we are finding the values of the third vertex. See here, they gave center of triangle and they gave only 2 vertices of triangle ABC. With the help of all these 3, we found that coordinates of the third vertex C here. How means? Just simply by applying the center of triangle formula. With the help of that, we got that third vertex C here. Like that, we are giving solution for this question. Now let us, we are going to solving another question. Second question, third question. The centroid of triangle ABC, the centroid of triangle ABC, the centroid of triangle ABC is 3, 4. And A is equal to 5, 4. If the vertices B and C, capital B and capital C, B and C lie respectively, on X and Y axis, then find the coordinates of B and C here. See here. Here also, in this question also, they gave coordinates of center of triangle. At the same time, they gave one vertex, capital A is equal to 5, 4. But they mentioned about remaining vertices B and C, they are lying on X and Y axis respectively. Already we knew that if any point lies on X axis, then ordinate value is always equal to 0. That is Y is equal to 0. That's what we can write coordinates for B as X, 0. At the same time, if any point lies on Y axis, then abscissa value is always equal to 0. That is, the first coordinate is always equal to 0. That's what we can write the coordinates for C as 0, some Y. 0, Y. With the help of these two, we are going to finding the values of X and Y here. See, I'll tell you. Now let us, we are going to solving solution for this question. Solution. Let the given vertices of triangle, let the given vertices of triangle ABC are A is equal to, they gave 5, 4, B is equal to, we can consider here X, 0 because they mentioned that B lies on X axis. C is equal to 0, Y, and also they gave, and also capital G is equal to, G means centroid of triangle 3, 4 here. See, by taking the triangle here, say triangle ABC here, it is a triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, they gave all the vertices here. A is equal to, A is some 5, 4. B is equal to X, 0. C is equal to, C is here 0, Y. And draw the medians from A to BC, one median, and it is the B also one median, AD is one median, CF is one median. CF is one median, and you considered A is x1 comma y1 here, and B is x2 comma y2 here, and C is here x3 comma y3 this. Already they gave coordinates of center of triangle G is equal to here 3 comma 4. You considered here 3 comma 4 here. Now in this solution, just we are going to applying a centroid of triangle formula. With the help of centroid of triangle formula, we are going to get in the values of x and y here. What is G here? G formula is G is equal to centroid of triangle G is equal to here x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole dividing by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole dividing by 3 here. G is here. G coordinates are 3 comma 4 is equal to x1 is 5 plus x plus y3 is x3 is 0 whole dividing by 3 comma y1 is 4 plus y2 is 0 plus y3 is y whole dividing by 3 here. That is that is 3 comma 4 is equal to 5 plus x dividing by 3, 5 plus x whole dividing by 3, comma 4 plus y whole dividing by 3 here. Between these 2 points, equality symbol is there. Whenever equality is there means we are calling those 2 points are equal points. When those 2 points are equal points means we must equate their corresponding places. That is the first place to first place, at the same time second place to second place, like this. 5 plus x whole dividing by 3 is equal to 3. 5 plus x is equal to, taking cross multiplication, that is a 9. Send 5 that side. X is equal to 9 minus 5. X is equal to 4. That's all. And next remaining values are 4 plus y. 4 plus y whole dividing by 3 is equal to 4. Taking cross multiplication, 4 plus y is equal to 3 into 4, 12. And send 4 that side. Y is equal to 12 minus 4, and finally we got value for y is 8. X value is 4 we got, and y value we got, value for y we got 8. With the help of those 2 values, we can give coordinates for the points B and C like this. Therefore we can write B is equal to x comma 0 means we can write 4 comma 0. At the same time, for C also we can write C is equal to 0 comma 8. Like that we got the coordinates of remaining 2 vertices B and C. How we got those 2 vertices B and C is because of with help of the centroid of triangle ABC formula. Centroid of triangle ABC is x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole dividing by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 whole dividing by 3. With the help of this formula, we got those vertices B and C here. Thus the value for x is 4 and value for y is 8. Like that we are giving solution for this question. Let us now we are going to solving another questions. if, fourth question, if one end of the diameter, if one end of the diameter if one end of diameter of the circle is of the circle is 3, 4 and the center of the circle is and the center of the circle is center of the circle is 2, 3. Center of the circle is 2, 3. Then find the coordinates of other end. Then find the coordinates of other ends. Other end here. They gave center. They gave another end. With the help of that one end, we are going to finding another end also here. See means how means I'll show you now. Now let us, we are going to giving the solution for this question. Yes. One end is they gave, and at the same time center is they gave means here we have to apply midpoint formula. Midpoint formula means the center of triangle is always divides median into 2 equal parts. Same means it is the circle. Is the one diameter and center C is center of circle is 2, 3. One end A is 3, 4. But another end B, just to consider them as H, K. But C, it is always divides diameter into equal parts. Then only C becomes midpoint to this circle. Just to consider A is 3, 4 as x1, y1 and coordinates of B as x2, y2 here. C is the midpoint. Solution for this question is we have to apply the midpoint of the line segments, the midpoint of the diameter, the midpoint of the diameter nothing but line segment AB here, line segment AB here. A is given by C is equal to, we can write formula C is equal to x1 plus x2 whole dividing by 2, y1 plus y2 whole dividing by 2 here. C is, what are the coordinates for C here? 2, 3. 2, 3 is equal to 3 is equal to here x1 plus x2 3 plus h whole dividing by 2, 4 plus k whole dividing by 2. Then individually or separately equate the first coordinates like this and second coordinates like this here. 3 plus h whole dividing by 2 is equal to 2. Taking cross multiplication, 3 plus h is equal to 4. Send 3 that side. H is equal to 4 minus 3. H is equal to 4 minus 3 becomes 1 here. At the same time, equate the second coordinates also here. Second coordinates are 3 is equal to 4 plus k whole dividing by 2. See here, 3 is equal to 4 plus k whole dividing by 2. Taking cross multiplication, 2 plus 2 3 is 6 is equal to 4 plus k. Send k this side and send 6 that side. Minus k is equal to 4 minus 6, or minus k is equal to 4 minus 6 can be written as minus 2. Minus minus gets cancelled. Therefore, k is equal to here 2. Therefore, we can write another end of diameter for this circle is b is equal to 1 comma 2 is the correct answer for this question. Here, just we applied concept of midpoint formula only. With help of that concept of midpoint formula, we got the coordinates of other end of diameter for the circle is b is equal to 1 comma 2. Like that we are finding another end for this circle. They gave center, at the same time they gave one end. With help of those two, we found other end also here because of with help of the midpoint formula. Like that we are giving solution for this question. Now let us we are going to solving another question. If a is equal to 3 comma 4, if a is equal to 3 comma 5, b is equal to minus 5 comma minus 4, and c is equal to 7 comma 10, or the vertices of the parallelogram, take, or the vertices of parallelogram taken in the order, then find the coordinates of the fourth vertex. They gave 3 vertices, but we have to find out the fourth vertex here. How means I will show you. See here. Now let us, we are going to giving solution for this question is, the parallelogram. It is the parallelogram like this. Taken in order A, B, C and D here. A is, what are the coordinates of A here? 3, 5 here. And what are the coordinates of B here? -5, -4. What are the coordinates of C here? 7, 10. And D, just we considered some H, K here. And just draw the diagonals also here, like joining the points A and C here. And here also join the points B and D here like this. Here the point is the midpoint of diagonals AC and BD here. That's why here also we are going to applying a concept of midpoint formula here. Because the P is the commonly, it becomes a midpoint to both diagonals AC and BD here. That's what I am going to applying here, midpoint formula. That is the midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD like this. Midpoint of diagonal AC means x1 plus x2 plus x3 whole dividing by 3 like this, and y1 plus y2 whole dividing by 2. See here, just to consider it is x1 y1 and is x2 y2. That's why x1 plus x2 by 2 means here. But just draw the straightly this is. x1 plus x2 by 2 means sum of all first coordinates 3 plus 7 whole dividing by 2, 5 plus 10 whole dividing by 2. Is equal to h minus 5 plus h whole dividing by 2, minus 4 plus k whole dividing by 2. This is three plus 7 means here 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2, next one is 5 plus 10 means 15 by 2 is equal to minus 5 plus h whole dividing by 2, minus 4 plus k whole dividing by 2 here. 10 by 2 means it gets cancelled, 5, 15 by 2 is equal to minus 5 plus h whole dividing by 2, minus 4 plus k whole dividing by 2 here. Here also 2 points are equal. When 2 points are equal means we must equating their corresponding values, first place to first place and second place to second place like this. Minus 5 plus h whole dividing by 2 is equal to 5. Taking cross multiplication, minus 5 plus h is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 that side, h is equal to 10 plus 5, that is h is equal to 15 here. At the same time, second coordinates also we can equate here. See here, minus 4 plus k whole dividing by 2 is equal to here 15 by 2. 15 by 2, 2 gets cancelled. Minus 4 plus k is equal to here 15. Send minus 4 that side. It is the k is equal to here 15 plus 4 and k is equal to here 19. That's what finally we can write the last fourth vertex D is equal to, we can write 15 comma 19 is the 15 comma 19 is the fourth vertex for this parallelogram ABCD. Like that we are giving solution with help of midpoint formula here. Because in parallelogram the point P commonly it becomes midpoint to both diagonals AC and BD here. Like that we are giving solution for this question. Today I have finished like all these questions. Centroid of triangle questions have finished. How to find out one end of diameter of the circle. At the same time, how to find out one end of parallelogram with help of remaining vertices. Like that we have we solved the questions on center of triangle. At the same time, we have finished the questions with help of concept of midpoint formula also. Next class also I am going to solve the problems on area of triangle. How to take area of triangle and how we are going to showing the given 3 points are collinear with help of area of triangle. Like all those questions next class I will solve. Thank you very much.